Hello everyone, you are watching Math Madlis with Dr. Khalil. In this video, I will take chapter 7, 7.3, that is linear inequalities. What do you mean by inequality? We have seen in section 7.1, 7.2 linear equalities. Now we are going to study inequalities. So what are they? The inequalities are of this type: less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. So these are the four what we call inequalities. And what we have now in section 7.3, we will be having linear equations with inequalities like this. That is, we have seen ax plus b equal to 0. This is the linear equation. The same thing if I write like this, it becomes a linear inequality. If I write like this, it becomes a linear inequality. If I write like this, it is the linear inequality. If I write like this, then it is a, so this type of equation we are going to study in this section 7.3. Let us start by solving exercise in 2.3. Section 2.3 exercise number 1. A. What is given here? X is less than equal to 5. You are given a linear inequality. Variable is x, power of x is 1, linear, less than equal to, therefore this is linear inequality. What's your question here is, you have to graph this on the line. So the question is here clear. So graph inequality on the number line and write in the interval notation. So how draw the number line? Draw a line, center 0. This is number line. So we are going to graph this on this number line. So check the number here, 5, which is positive, which is on the right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are here. When you go on the right side, further it is plus infinity. When you go on the left side, it is minus infinity. That is largest positive, largest the negative here. Now look at this here, in this particular thing here, in here we have less than equal to this. So here we have two inequalities, which is equal to 5, 1, and it is less than 5. So I have to represent both on this graph. So first I will go for less than. Less than means I have to go on the left side. So I go on the left side. So this represents x less than 5. Then it is equal to 5. Equal to 5 means I have to just dark this, circle this. So this represents x is equal to 5. So this is the graph of this equation. Now if I want to convert this into interval, please remember when we talk about the interval, we have open and close. So here, since I am moving to the left side, so what I will do, I will come to left side. So when the left side is this, the least one, so minus infinity with open circle, and you are going on this, So end is 5. So I will say close because of the closed circle. So minus infinity comma 5. So always remember, for minus infinity or plus infinity, use open interval, and if it is equal, use the close. Otherwise, here also we write it open. Let's take another example. B. X is greater than equal to minus 1.5. Here, number line, we have 0, minus 1, minus 2. Here we have minus 1.5. It is between minus 1 and minus 2. Again we have equal to minus 1.5. Again we have greater than minus 1.5. Greater than 1.5 means I go on the right side, which is plus infinity. Equal means I circle this. So this is what the graph of this linear inequality. Suppose if I want to write in the interval format or interval notation, so what I will do now, here we have minus 1.5 with close, right? And you're going on the right side, so you go plus infinity. When it is infinity, you have to use the open bracket. So this is what the interval of this. So always use open for plus infinity and minus infinity. Coming to 2a, minus 5 less than x less than 2. Number line, you see, 0, minus 5 somewhere here, plus 2 somewhere on the right side. So less than means I will minus in 5 2 minus plus 2. We write this, and there is no equal sign. So what I will do, I will open this. See, I will open this. Here also, I will open this. Open this here. This is the graph of this equation, linear equation. Suppose if I want to write this in terms of interval, it's simple. Minus 5 is the minimum, 2 is the maximum, both open. So I will use the interval notation for this is this. So exactly the similar way you can do question number 2b, 3a, 3b. Coming to what you call solving the linear equation, that is example 4 to 9. Let me take one example here. Number 7. Solve minus 5k less than equal to 20. Solve this. Here the variable is k, and I need to find the value of k. Just we do the way how we have done in the earlier section, same way we are doing. Do not change any inequality. So k is less than equal to 20 by minus 5. K is less than equal to minus 4. Answer. Nothing I have changed. Less than, the same thing. The way how we do usual with equality, the same thing we do it here. Let's say number 6. 20 greater than equal to 2 by 5x. Cross multiply. 20 into 5 by 2 greater than equal to x. This and this. 20 into 10, that is 50 greater than equal to x. It's correct. Suppose if you want to bring x on the left, 50 on the right, yes, you can do. But what happens? If you do that, the inequality change. Greater to lesser or lesser to greater, equal to the same thing. So you should know that if A is less than B or equal to B, then B is greater than equal to A. Remember always. This is the rule. So if you change the place, so you change the inequality. So you can do the remaining questions. Going to question number 10. Again, solving. Solve 4v greater than equal to 9v minus 40. Solve this. So bringing v on the left. 4v minus 9v greater than equal to minus 40. See, I have not done anything, just 9v, I bring it on the left so that v together. Ultimately solving me, we are finding the value of v. 4v minus 9v minus 5v greater than equal to minus 40. Now I will cancel this minus. When I cancel the minus, remember the sign will change. Remember this. So I cancel so minus A, suppose if it is less than minus B, then A is greater than equal to B. Remember, they change the sign. Inequality. So minus minus cancel, we have this. So what is B? B is less than 40 by 5. B is less than equal to 8. The answer. Number 14. 6h minus 4h minus 1 less than 7h minus 11. So we need to find the value of h. Let's see. First open the bracket. 6h minus 4h plus 4, 7h minus 11. So minus 4 into this, minus minus plus. This I can combine. 2h plus 4 less than equal to 7h minus 11. Bring all h on the one side and number on the other side. So 2h minus 7h less than minus 11 minus 4 minus 11 minus 4 minus 5h less than minus 15. Now we can cancel minus, so no problem, you can do, but this becomes this. Less than equal to become greater than. So h is 15 by 5. That means h is greater than equal to 3. Answer. So like the same thing, all questions are on the same type. Let's see number 19. Minus 9 by 4x greater than equal to minus 5 by 12. You have minus, first cancel it. So 9 by 4x less than equal to 5 by 12. First greater than equal to become less than equal to. But I want x on the list. So 5 by 12 I write. So I cross multiply. So 4 goes up, 9 comes down. So you can cancel or whatever. So that's the x is less than equal to, that's the answer for this. Coming to the next set of question, that is 20 to 23. Let's say 20 minus 5 less than equal to 4x minus 1 less than 7. So here also we are asked to solve this. That means you need to find the value of x here. So you just see the middle term and remove minus 1 first and then 4. So how to remove minus 1? Minus 1 means I will add that means I will add in all the three places. Why I add? Because it is minus 1. To cancel this minus 1, I have to add. So minus 1 plus 1 cancels. But minus 5 plus 1, minus 4, you get 4x, you get here 8. Now I will cancel 4. How I will cancel 4? I divide by 4. So minus 1 less than x less than 2. That's the answer. So the moment you get in the middle term, in the middle only x, stop it. Coming to 23, minus 1 less than 3x plus 2 less than 8. So how to first remove this plus 2. See, for that I have to subtract minus 2. You see, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. 2 minus 2 cancels. Minus 3, 3x, 6. Now I will cancel 3. Divide by 3. So minus 1, x, 2. Answer. This is how we solve questions from 20 to 23. Coming to the next set of questions, that is 24 to 27, let me solve all. In these questions, that is 24 to 27, you need to write the statements which are given in words and sentences in the form of linear inequality. Let's see an example here. 3 more than h. H is your variable here. 3 more than h. That means h plus 3 is no less than. That means not less than. Not less than means it is greater than how much? 25. So that's what we are writing, the given statement in terms of linear inequality. Coming to 25. 6 more than k. K is the variable plus 6. 6 more than k exceeds 25. Exceeds. Exceeds means greater than 25. Please remember, this is exceeds. Exceeds means greater. 26. 15 less than a. That is a minus 15. See, 15 less than a is at least 7. At least 7. This is at least. That means greater than equal to. Greater than exceed. Greater than equal to at least. Coming to the next one, 27. 19 less than b. That is b minus 19 is at most means less than equal to 22. This is at most, not less than, exceeds, at least, at most. So here in this question we convert the sentence and word into linear inequalities. Coming to the last set of questions, that is 28. Here you have, Ryan charges his neighbors $20 to wash their car. How many cars must be he wash next summer if his goal is to earn at least $1,500? X be the number of cars. Each car he is charging 20, that is cost is 20x. And then at least means greater than equal to 1,500. So this is the inequality in this question. Solve this, you get this. So this is what you call, he must wash at least 75 cars so that his earning is 1,500. Coming to 29. Mariam got a 20 Omani Riyal gift card for the coffee shop, and her iced drink cost Omani Riyal 3. What is the maximum number of drinks she can buy? So let's say X the number of drinks. Each drink cost 3. So that means total cost is 3x. So gift card is 20. That means it should not cross 20, or it may be 20, and it should be less than 20. Solve this, you will get x less than 6.6. That means she can go for maximum 6 drinks. 0.6 I cannot take. So I will take the whole number. That means maximum in that card 20, she will get 6 drinks only. Coming to the last question, that is number 30. Ahmed is a personal chef and he charges 4 per meal. That is, X be the number of meals, and he charges 4. That means the cost of the meal is 4x, and his monthly expense is 400. How many meals must he sell in order to make profit of at least 600? So that means his cost is 400 plus 600, total is 1000. So it is going to be 600 plus 400, that is 1000. 4x is equal to 1000, then x is equal to 250. That is the number of meal it should sell is 250. So with this I conclude the chapter 7, section 7.3. With this I end chapter 7. So next time I will take chapter 8. Thank you.